Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam. Guys, take a look at my view over here. Take a look at it. Fantastic. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that the markets are slightly up right now, just gingerly up out there. So that is pretty good. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you guys knew that already. So a couple of things I want to talk about. Remember, this ain't financial advice. You guys know that. Also, I want to talk to you about something weird is going on with YouTube right now. It looks like a lot of you are not getting your notifications out there, and this is really stressing me out. It's really irritating me out there, and I think I need your support out there. And what you can do is you've got to turn off and turn back on your notifications. And if you're still not getting notifications, you may want to rise up, get a support ticket going to YouTube. So it's pretty irritating that you produce a lot of great content, but nobody sees it because it seems that the YouTube algorithm is not sending out notifications. So that's kind of irritating in the membrane. From that perspective, we're seeing that right now Bitcoin is just above 23,000, it's about $23,132. We're seeing Dogecoin quite happily above the 0.68 cent level. So that is, Dogecoin is holding a support level, and that is pretty good. Yesterday, the Vatican said that, the Vatican, not the Vatican, but we had a church in Washington said they're going to accept Bitcoin. So that's kind of huge in the house. Big news is that it looks like Voyager bankruptcy lawyers have allowed a release of about $270 million of customers' funds. So there'll be about $270 million of the customers' funds that will be released to the customers. So that's pretty positive for that. And because of that, we did see that the Voyager shares did go up. What's going on in the crypto space? We're seeing that most of cryptocurrencies just kind of going sideways right now. We're also seeing that DXY is going down. So it looks like the US dollar is weakening. So that's going to be good for crypto out there. And we did have the Solana hack. You guys all know about that. So guys, you may want to think about getting yourself a hardware wallet out there. I would appreciate it, and you can follow the link down below. So what's going on personally with the OG. Tomorrow, as you know, we're flying to Bangkok, so we're leaving around about 9 a.m. We should be back home by about lunchtime. So that's looking pretty good, and we should be back filming videos as normal. Today I didn't do a video in the morning, kind of like Debbie Downing, because guys, I work hard producing the content. I tried my best to produce the content, but it just seems that the content is not reaching you guys because notifications not working. I raised concerns with YouTube. I have yet to hear back from them. So I would appreciate a little bit of love if you guys go out and do a couple things. Turn off, turn back on your notifications, guys. Whenever you're watching these videos, please share the content. Post it on your socials. Get the message out there and get the views up, because I like to just give you the news and hype content. Sometimes the news is repetitive because there's not much going on from that perspective. So we are seeing that overall crypto is looking pretty positive today. It is Thursday afternoon here in Vietnam, so it is what it is. So hopefully you guys having a great day out there. So big news is, looks like Voyager Capital out there is now releasing $270 million worth of their funds. Celsius, nothing really is going on over there. It's just kind of like same old stuff out there. What am I doing? I did DCA yesterday. I picked up some Bitcoin, I picked up some Ethereum, picked up some Aave, picked up some DOT, picked up a little bit of Doge, some ICP, and I picked up some ADA. And ADA is looking pretty strong long term. So if you guys in the market to pick up what I think is a really good project, I think ADA long term is really going to be good. And it looks like Charles from ADA, he was kind of tweeted out a post that he was kind of laughing because he's seeing that a lot of projects are getting hacked out there. But ADA, sure, we all know that Charles is methodical. Charles takes a long time to get stuff out in the wild. But what we can say about Charles is that everything that he does is pretty much safe and sound, and there hasn't been any hacks out there on ADA, not that I know of. I mean, there's been no hacks, so we can see that ADA is a pretty sound project out there. So you guys are gonna love that. So ADA is a good project. ICP is a good project. Any of the layer one solutions are a good project, like DOT, Avalanche. Also, I'm loving Matic. Matic is long term looking pretty good. Harmony is good, but Harmony had a bit of an issue with its bridge, and that they lost a ton of money. So overall, stick with the layer one, layer two. Stick with Ethereum, Bitcoin, the top big caps. Remember, you want to control your crypto. The only way you can do that is have your private keys, either a software wallet or a hardware wallet. We talked about that infinitum. So it is what it is, and hopefully remember that on Friday we have the CME futures that are going to expire. Is about $500 million worth of futures are going to expire. So keep an eye on that. Absolutely keep an eye on that. We could expect some volatility, and we seem to have a lot of liquidity around about 19,000. So we could see that Bitcoin could raise up to 25,000, hit the 25,000 resistance, and then come back down to 19,000. And then that would be the market makers, you know, eliminating a lot of the leverage apes out there. So get ready for that. Buckle up for that. So it is what it is. What else is going on? That's about it, guys. That's absolutely about it. This is a short video. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there, and have a fantastic day. And I love you guys. Please, you know, talk to YouTube. Tell them to fix the notifications. Turn off and on your notifications. I would appreciate it. So let's get the message out there. Let's absolutely get this freaking message out there. Support the channel any way you can. Go out down there, check out the links. We got you know, get the merch, get everything, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'll see you absolutely next one. I love it, you love it. Let's get it right now. Woo!